Have you ever stopped to consider the nature of time? Time shapes our perceptions, memories, and very being. We experience it as a linear progression from past to future. But what if this perception is an illusion? Imagine freezing time, halting the universe in a single moment. Would it be a world in stasis or something beyond our understanding? The truth lies between these extremes. To grasp time's nature, we must delve into physics and cosmology. Here we find a universe in constant motion, far more fluid than we perceive. Past, present, and future are threads in the grand tapestry of space-time. At the heart of modern physics lies the theory of relativity, developed by Albert Einstein. This framework shattered our classical notions of space and time, revealing them to be linked in a four-dimensional fabric known as space-time. Time is not absolute, but relative to the observer. It flows at different rates depending on gravity and velocity. Imagine two identical clocks, one at sea level and the other atop a mountain. The clock at higher altitude ticks faster due to weaker gravitational pull. This effect, known as gravitational time dilation, has profound implications for our understanding of the universe. While physics offers us a glimpse into the objective nature of time, our subjective experience of it is no less fascinating. We perceive time as a relentless river, carrying us along from the cradle to the grave. Think back to a vivid memory from your childhood. Now contrast this with your memory of an ordinary day from last week. When we are engaged in enjoyable activities, time seems to fly by. Conversely, when we are bored or anxious, time seems to drag on endlessly. Let's delve into mythology and storytelling. Across cultures, humans have grappled with time through narratives. One tale speaks of a celestial being known as the star whale. This mythical creature swims through the cosmic ocean, marking time. Its breaths create the tides, its tail strokes mark the seasons, and its markings govern the stars. For ancient mariners, the star whale symbolized time's flow. The legend highlights our need to make sense of time. It reminds us that our lives are part of a larger story. As we delve deeper into the nature of time, we encounter questions that push the boundaries of science and philosophy. Is time truly linear, or does it loop back on itself, creating an infinite cycle of birth, death, and rebirth? Can we travel through time, visiting the past or glimpsing the future? And perhaps most profoundly, what is the nature of time itself beyond our limited human perception? Some physicists speculate that time, as we experience it, may be an emergent property of a more fundamental reality. In this view, time arises from the interactions of countless quantum events, much like temperature arises from the movement of molecules. If this is the case, then manipulating these underlying quantum processes could hold the key to unlocking the secrets of time travel and other seemingly impossible feats. Others propose that our universe is just one of many, each with its own unique set of physical laws, and perhaps even its own arrow of time. In this multiverse scenario, time might flow in different directions or even cease to exist altogether in certain realms. These ideas, while speculative, highlight the vastness of the unknown and the limitations of our current understanding. Our exploration of time has taken us from the familiar ticking of clocks to the mind-bending realms of relativity and quantum mechanics. We've encountered mythical creatures, pondered the nature of consciousness, and glimpsed the possibility of parallel universes. Yet, despite centuries of inquiry, time remains one of the most profound mysteries of the cosmos. Like explorers charting a vast and uncharted ocean, we're only beginning to understand the true nature of time. Each new discovery raises more questions than it answers, pushing us further along on our journey of cosmic exploration. The answers, when we find them, are likely to be stranger and more awe-inspiring than anything we can currently imagine. This is a journey that transcends the boundaries of science and philosophy, touching upon the very essence of what it means to be human. It is a journey that forces us to confront our own mortality, our place in the grand scheme of things, and the ultimate fate of the universe itself. It is a journey that begins with a simple question: when in time do you truly exist? To truly grasp the depths of time's passage, we must expand our perspective far beyond the confines of human history. Imagine compressing the entirety of the universe's existence from the Big Bang to this very moment into a single calendar year. This is the concept behind the cosmic calendar, a mind-boggling scale that helps us visualize the vastness of cosmic time. On this grand scale, each month represents roughly 1 billion years. Each day encompasses nearly 40 million years, and each second ticks by at a staggering 500 years. Within this framework, our familiar human history shrinks to an almost imperceptible sliver at the very end of the cosmic year. The Big Bang, the cataclysmic event that birthed our universe, marks the first stroke of midnight on January 1st. For billions of years, the cosmos expanded and cooled, a seething cauldron of energy gradually coalescing into the first elementary particles. It wasn't until around March 15th, according to our cosmic calendar, that the first stars ignited, illuminating the vast darkness with their fiery brilliance. These early stars, massive and short-lived, played a crucial role in shaping the universe we know today. Within their fiery cores, through the immense pressure and heat of nuclear fusion, lighter elements like hydrogen and helium were forged into heavier elements like carbon, oxygen, and iron. These elements, the building blocks of planets and life itself, were scattered across the cosmos when these stellar giants eventually exploded as supernovae. As the universe continued to evolve, vast clouds of gas and dust enriched with the remnants of these stellar explosions began to collapse under their own gravity. Within these swirling nurseries, new generations of stars were born, their formation influenced by the echoes of their long-dead predecessors. Our own Sun, a relatively young star, ignited on August 31st of the cosmic calendar, its birth a testament to the cyclical nature of stellar evolution. The formation of our solar system, a cosmic ballet of dust, gas, and gravity, unfolded over millions of years. Planets coalesced from the leftover debris surrounding the newborn Sun, their orbits shaped by the delicate interplay of gravitational forces. Our own planet, Earth, emerged from this chaotic dance as a molten ball of rock, its surface constantly bombarded by asteroids and comets. As Earth cooled and solidified, its surface transformed into a dynamic landscape shaped by volcanic eruptions, shifting continents, and the relentless erosion of wind and water. The first oceans formed, their depths teeming with the building blocks of life. It was within this primordial soup on September 21st of the cosmic calendar that the first single-celled organisms emerged, marking the dawn of life on our planet. From these humble beginnings, life evolved and diversified over billions of years, driven by the relentless engine of natural selection. Simple organisms gave rise to more complex forms, branching out into countless species that filled every niche on Earth. The first multicellular organisms appeared around October 15th, followed by the Cambrian explosion, a period of rapid diversification that saw the emergence of most major animal phyla. Throughout this epic saga, the dance of space and time continued to shape the destiny of our planet. Asteroid impacts triggered mass extinctions, reshuffling the evolutionary deck and paving the way for new forms of life to flourish. The continents drifted across the globe, altering ocean currents, influencing climate patterns, and driving the evolution of new species. Embedded within Earth's rocks, fossils serve as tangible reminders of this ancient past, preserving the imprints of creatures long extinct. These petrified remnants offer us glimpses into vanished ecosystems, revealing a tapestry of life both familiar and strange. We find the towering skeletons of dinosaurs, the delicate wings of ancient insects preserved in amber, and the fossilized footprints of early hominids, each discovery adding a piece to the puzzle of life's journey. By studying these echoes of a vanished past, scientists have been able to piece together a remarkable narrative of life's evolution on Earth. We've traced the lineage of whales back to land-dwelling mammals, discovered feathered dinosaurs that challenge our understanding of bird evolution, and unearthed the remains of early hominids that shed light on our own evolutionary journey. Each fossil discovery is a testament to the interconnectedness of life across vast stretches of time. We are linked to these ancient creatures not just through shared ancestry, but also through the fundamental processes of evolution that have shaped all life on Earth. Their stories, etched in stone, remind us of the incredible resilience and adaptability of life in the face of a constantly changing planet. From the Big Bang to the emergence of life on Earth, time flows forward, governed by the second law of thermodynamics. Entropy always increases in a closed system. A shattered glass never reassembles itself. This gives rise to the arrow of time, the unidirectional flow from past to future. We remember the past, not the future. We age and die, and the universe expands and cools. Despite the relentless increase in entropy, the universe is not simply descending into chaos. On the contrary, it is a place of remarkable order and complexity where stars form, galaxies collide, and life arises from non-living matter. This apparent paradox highlights the intricate interplay between order and disorder, a delicate dance that has shaped the cosmos since its inception. The formation of stars, for example, is a testament to the universe's ability to create order from chaos. Within vast clouds of gas and dust, gravity acts as a sculptor, pulling matter together and igniting the nuclear furnaces that power these celestial giants. The energy released by stars, in turn, drives the formation of heavier elements, the building blocks of planets and life itself. Life itself is perhaps the ultimate example of order arising from chaos. Within the seemingly random interactions of molecules, complex structures emerge, capable of self-replication, adaptation, and evolution. The emergence of life on Earth, and potentially elsewhere in the cosmos, is a testament to the universe's remarkable ability to create complexity and order from the simplest of ingredients. As we delve deeper into the nature of time and the universe, we begin to appreciate the interconnectedness of all things. Every atom in our bodies was once part of a star, forged in the crucible of a supernova billions of years ago. The very air we breathe, the water we drink, and the ground beneath our feet are all products of cosmic processes that have unfolded over eons. Our lives, though seemingly insignificant on the grand scale of the cosmos, are intricately woven into the fabric of the universe. Our actions, no matter how small, have consequences that ripple outward, influencing the lives of others and shaping the course of future events. We are all connected across space and time by unseen threads of destiny. This interconnectedness is not limited to our own planet or even our own galaxy. The laws of physics that govern our universe are thought to be universal, applying equally to distant stars and galaxies as they do to our own corner of the cosmos. The echoes of the Big Bang, the afterglow of creation, can still be detected in the cosmic microwave background radiation, a faint whisper that pervades all of space. Imagine, if you will, an hourglass, its fine grains of sand steadily cascading through the narrow aperture, each grain representing a fleeting moment in the grand tapestry of time. For centuries, this iconic image has served as a poignant reminder of time's inexorable passage, its relentless march from the past through the present and into the future. Across cultures and throughout history, humans have grappled with the elusive nature of time, seeking to measure its passage, understand its rhythms, and perhaps even unravel its deepest secrets. From the sundials of ancient civilizations to the atomic clocks of today, we have devised increasingly sophisticated instruments to mark time's passage, yet its true essence remains a profound mystery. We experience time as a linear progression, a one-way street from birth to death, with each moment irretrievably lost to the past. Yet this perception, so ingrained in our consciousness, may be but a limited glimpse of a far grander reality. A reality where the past, present, and future are intertwined in ways we are only beginning to comprehend. Just as a kaleidoscope creates a dazzling array of patterns from a few simple pieces of glass, so too does human perception color and distort our experience of time. Our emotions, memories, and cultural backgrounds act as filters, shaping our subjective experience of time's passage. Consider how differently time seems to flow when we are children compared to when we are adults. For a child eager for new experiences and discoveries, time seems to stretch out endlessly, each day an adventure waiting to unfold. As we age, however, the days seem to accelerate, the years blurring into a rapid succession of events, leaving us to wonder where the time has gone. This subjective experience of time is further influenced by our emotional state. When we are engaged in enjoyable activities, time seems to fly by, leaving us wanting more. Conversely, when we are bored or anxious, time drags on interminably, each tick of the clock a heavy weight upon our souls. Beyond the confines of our individual perceptions, nature herself provides a steady and rhythmic pulse to the passage of time. The cycles of day and night, the ebb and flow of tides, the changing seasons, these natural phenomena offer a tangible and reassuring measure of time's passage, a reminder that we are part of a larger cosmic dance. For millennia, humans have lived in harmony with these natural rhythms, their lives intricately intertwined with the cycles of the natural world, the planting and harvesting of crops, the migrations of animals, the rhythms of sleep and wakefulness, all were governed by nature's clock, a testament to our deep connection to the earth and its rhythms. Even in our modern technology-driven world, the influence of these natural rhythms persists. Our circadian rhythms, those internal biological clocks that govern our sleep-wake cycles, are synchronized with the 24-hour cycle of day and night. Disruptions to these natural rhythms, such as those caused by jet lag or shift work, can have profound effects on our physical and mental well-being. The image of time as a river flowing relentlessly from its source in the past to its destination in the future is a powerful metaphor that has resonated across cultures and throughout history. Like a river, time carries us along on its current, shaping our experiences, carving memories into the landscape of our lives, and ultimately depositing us at the sea of eternity. Yet unlike a physical river, time's flow is not always smooth or predictable. It can meander, twist, and even seem to reverse course, leaving us disoriented and uncertain of our place within its currents. Our memories, those fragmented snapshots of the past, can be both comforting and deceptive, their edges blurred by the passage of time, their colors faded by the relentless march of entropy. Just as a river can be both a source of life and a destructive force, so too can time be both a healer and a destroyer. It can mend broken hearts, heal old wounds, and bring new opportunities, but it can also erode memories, exacerbate regrets, and amplify the pain of loss. Our memories are the echoes of our past, reverberating through the vast cathedral of our minds. They are the threads that weave together the tapestry of our lives, connecting us to who we were, who we are, and who we might yet become. Yet memory is a fickle and often unreliable narrator. Our recollections are not always accurate reflections of past events. Rather, they are reconstructions, filtered through the lens of our present perspectives, emotions, and biases. We tend to remember events that confirm our existing beliefs and values, while downplaying or even forgetting those that contradict them. Moreover, our memories are not static entities, but are constantly being reshaped and rewritten each time we access them. This process, known as reconsolidation, can introduce errors and distortions into our recollections, further blurring the line between fact and fiction in our personal narratives. The concept of time travel, a staple of science fiction and a tantalizing possibility for some physicists, raises profound questions about the nature of time and the limits of causality. If we could travel through time, would we be able to alter the past or glimpse the future? And what would be the consequences of such actions? One of the most intriguing puzzles raised by the possibility of time travel is the so-called grandfather paradox. Imagine a scenario in which a time traveler journeys back in time and accidentally kills their own grandfather before their parent was born. This paradoxical situation seems to violate the fundamental laws of causality, as it suggests that an effect, the time traveler's existence, could precede its cause, their parent's birth. While the grandfather paradox remains a theoretical conundrum, it highlights the potential paradoxes and inconsistencies that arise when we try to reconcile our linear experience of time with the possibility of temporal loops and alternate timelines. Imagine, if you will, a vast and ever-shifting landscape, its contours and features constantly morphing and rearranging themselves. This is the temporal landscape, a metaphorical representation of the interconnectedness of the past, present, and future. Our journey through time is not a straight line, but rather a meandering dance across this temporal terrain. We carry the echoes of the past within us, influencing our present actions and shaping the course of our future. Yet the future is not predetermined. It is a realm of infinite possibilities, a canvas upon which we paint our choices and actions. As we navigate this temporal landscape, we are constantly interacting with the echoes of past events and the ripples of future possibilities. Our choices, no matter how small, create ripples that spread outward, influencing the lives of others and shaping the very fabric of time itself. In the heart of this intricate dance of past, present, and future lies the eternal now, the fleeting moment of present awareness that exists at the intersection of all that has been and all that will be. It is in this elusive present moment that we truly exist, where our thoughts, emotions, and actions converge to create the reality we experience. Yet the present moment is ephemeral. constantly slipping away from our grasp, transforming into the past even as we try to hold on to it. It is a fleeting glimpse of eternity, a precious and irreplaceable gift that we must learn to cherish and savor, for in the end it is the present moment, this ever-shifting point of awareness, that is all we truly have. The past is gone, the future is uncertain, but the present is ours to embrace, to experience fully, and to live to the fullest. Step into the labyrinth of time, a realm where the corridors of the past intertwine with the pathways of the future, creating a bewildering maze of possibilities. Here, the very notion of linear progression dissolves, replaced by a sense of interconnectedness that transcends our ordinary perception of time's arrow. Within this labyrinth, the past is not a distant land forever sealed off from our reach. Instead, it exists as a living presence, its echoes reverberating through the chambers of our minds, influencing our thoughts, emotions and actions in ways we may not always perceive. The future, too, is not a fixed destination, but rather a kaleidoscope of potentialities, its shape and form constantly shifting in response to our choices and the unfolding of events. Each step we take within this temporal maze leads us deeper into its enigmatic embrace. We may catch glimpses of ourselves at different points in our lives, encountering echoes of past selves or fleeting visions of potential futures. These encounters can be both illuminating and unsettling, offering us glimpses into the infinite possibilities that lie both behind and before us. The labyrinth of time is not a place of chaos and randomness, but rather a realm governed by a profound and subtle order. It is a place where the echoes of eternity resonate, where the past, present, and future dance in an intricate and harmonious ballet. Imagine, if you will, a grand cosmic symphony, its music weaving together the threads of time into a tapestry of sound and silence. Each note, each chord, each crescendo and diminuendo represents an event, a moment, a fleeting experience within the vast expanse of time's unfolding. Within this symphony, we can discern recurring themes and motifs, patterns that repeat across different scales of time and space. The rise and fall of civilizations, the birth and death of stars, the ebb and flow of life itself. All are expressions of these underlying cosmic rhythms, a testament to the interconnectedness of all things across the vast canvas of time. At the heart of the labyrinth of time lies a profound paradox, the paradox of presence. It is within the eternal now, that fleeting point of awareness where the past converges with the future, that we truly exist. Yet, this present moment, this elusive point of contact with reality, is constantly slipping away from our grasp, transforming into the past even as we try to hold on to it. The present moment is both everything and nothing. It is the only moment we can truly experience, yet it is also the most elusive and fleeting of all moments. It is the point at which all possibilities converge, yet it is also the point at which all possibilities dissolve into the ever-changing flow of time. We spend our lives chasing after the past, yearning for the future. Yet the true gift of life lies in the present moment, in the fullness of our awareness, in the simple act of being fully present to whatever arises in our experience. Our lives are not linear progressions from birth to death, but rather intricate tapestries woven from countless individual moments. Each moment, no matter how seemingly insignificant, is a thread in this grand tapestry, contributing to the richness and complexity of the overall design. Some moments stand out as particularly vivid and memorable, moments of great joy, deep sorrow, profound insight, or transformative experiences. These moments, like brightly colored threads in our tapestry, capture our attention and shape our perception of who we are. However, it is important to remember that even the most mundane and seemingly insignificant moments have their place in the grand scheme of things. These moments, like the subtle background colors and textures in our tapestry, provide the context and foundation for the more prominent features, contributing to the overall beauty and meaning of our lives. We often perceive time as a series of discrete units, seconds, minutes, hours, days, years, each separated from the others by an invisible barrier. This perception of separation, however, is an illusion, a product of our linear minds trying to impose order on a reality that is inherently fluid and interconnected. In truth, there is no separation between the past, present, and future. They are all part of the same seamless flow of time, each moment inextricably linked to those that came before and those that will follow. The past flows into the present flows into the future, and the future in turn will one day become the past. This illusion of separation can lead us to dwell on past regrets, worry about future uncertainties, or fail to appreciate the fullness of the present moment. By recognizing the interconnectedness of all moments, we can begin to release our attachment to these limiting beliefs and embrace the fluidity and dynamism of time's true nature. The image of time as a river is a powerful metaphor for understanding the dynamic and ever-changing nature of reality. Like a river, time is in constant motion, its currents carrying us along on a journey of perpetual becoming. As we journey down this river of time, we are constantly changing and evolving. Our experiences shape us, our choices define us, and our interactions with the world leave their indelible mark on our souls. The river of time does not flow in a straight line, but rather meanders and curves, sometimes gently, sometimes with great force. We may encounter rapids and whirlpools, moments of great intensity and upheaval, as well as calm stretches where the water flows smoothly and serenely. The dance of time is not confined to our planet or even our solar system, but extends outward to encompass the entire cosmos. From the smallest subatomic particles to the largest superclusters of galaxies, everything in the universe is engaged in this grand cosmic ballet. Stars are born, live out their fiery lives, and eventually die, their deaths often giving rise to new generations of stars and planetary systems. Galaxies collide and merge, their gravitational interactions shaping the large-scale structure of the universe. Time's cosmic dance is a never-ending story of creation, destruction, and renewal, a testament to the dynamic and ever-evolving nature of the universe itself. We are all participants in this grand cosmic dance, our lives intricately intertwined with the rhythms of the cosmos. Our exploration of time has taken us from the familiar ticking of clocks to the mind-bending realms of relativity and quantum mechanics. We have encountered ancient myths, pondered philosophical paradoxes, and glimpsed the vastness of the cosmos. Yet, despite centuries of inquiry, time remains one of the most profound and enduring mysteries of existence. Its true nature eludes our grasp, its secrets hidden within the fabric of reality itself. Perhaps the ultimate lesson of time is that it is not something to be understood or conquered, but rather something to be experienced and embraced. It is in the fullness of the present moment, in the appreciation of life's precious and fleeting nature, that we discover the true meaning of time's gift. In the heart of Japan, a fleeting spectacle unfolds each spring, a delicate dance of nature that captures the essence of time's ephemeral beauty. The cherry blossoms, those delicate pink and white blooms, emerge in a riot of color, transforming the landscape into a scene of ethereal enchantment. For centuries, the Japanese people have celebrated this annual spectacle with hanami, a tradition of picnicking and revelry beneath the blossoming trees. It is a time for contemplation, for appreciating the fleeting nature of beauty, and for recognizing the cyclical nature of life, death, and renewal. The cherry blossoms, however, are notoriously short-lived. Their delicate petals, caught in the gentle breeze, dance upon the wind for but a few precious days before they flutter to the ground, carpeting the earth in a blanket of soft pink and white. This ephemeral beauty serves as a poignant reminder of the fleeting nature of time itself. Like the cherry blossoms, our lives are but brief moments in the grand scheme of things, precious and fragile, to be cherished and savored before they too fade away. Journey to the rugged heart of the American Southwest, where the Colorado River has carved the Grand Canyon. Over millions of years, the river etched through rock layers, revealing a geological history spanning eons. Standing at the rim, gazing out at its vast expanse, one is struck by a profound sense of awe. The sheer scale of the canyon, its immense depths and intricate layers, dwarfs our human perception of time. The Grand Canyon is a place where time stands still, yet reveals the relentless march of time. Along the misty coastline of Northern California, shrouded in fog and draped in moss, stand the ancient redwoods, some of the oldest and largest living organisms on Earth. These towering giants, some reaching heights of over 300 feet and living for thousands of years, have witnessed the ebb and flow of time for millennia. Standing at the base of one of these arboreal behemoths, gazing up at its towering trunk and sprawling canopy, one feels a profound sense of humility and awe. These trees have stood sentinel through countless seasons, their roots anchoring them to the earth, while their branches reach towards the heavens. The redwoods have witnessed the rise and fall of civilizations, the comings and goings of countless generations of humans. They have weathered storms, droughts, and fires, their resilience a testament to the enduring power of nature. Their rings, like the pages of a history book, record the passage of time, each ring marking a year of growth, a season of change, a moment in the tree's long and storied life. Within these rings lie secrets of past climates, volcanic eruptions, and even ancient earthquakes. Transport yourself now to the sun-drenched sands of Egypt, where the ancient pyramids stand as enduring symbols of human ingenuity and our timeless fascination with time itself. These monumental tombs, built to house the pharaohs in the afterlife, have stood for over 4,000 years, their massive stone blocks defying the ravages of time. The pyramids were built in an era long before modern technology, a testament to the skill, organization, and sheer determination of their ancient builders. They were designed to withstand the test of time, their massive scale and precise alignment with the stars reflecting a deep understanding of astronomy and mathematics. Stepping inside one of these ancient tombs, one is transported back in time. The air is heavy with the weight of history, the silence broken only by the echo of one's own footsteps. Hieroglyphs adorn the walls, depicting scenes from the afterlife and offering glimpses into the beliefs and rituals of a long-vanished civilization. The pyramids are more than just tombs. They are time capsules, preserving the memories and aspirations of a people who lived thousands of years ago. They are a reminder of the enduring power of human creativity and our timeless quest for immortality. In stark contrast to the stillness of the pyramids, we find ourselves in the heart of a modern metropolis, New York City, a city that pulsates with frenetic energy 24 hours a day. Here, time seems to accelerate, driven by the relentless pace of human activity. Traffic flows through the streets like a river of metal and glass. People rush about their daily lives, their faces reflecting ambition and anxiety. Yet amidst the chaos, there are moments of quiet reflection. A walk in Central Park offers a respite from the city's relentless energy. Our journey through time now takes us from the macroscopic world of cities and canyons to the microscopic realm of atoms and subatomic particles. Here, at the very foundation of reality, time's dance takes on a different character, a silent ballet governed by the strange and counterintuitive laws of quantum mechanics. Imagine, if you will, a realm where particles can exist in multiple states at once, where the act of observation influences the observed, and where the very notion of cause and effect becomes blurred. In this quantum realm, time loses its familiar linear flow, becoming a fluid and malleable dimension. Subatomic particles, such as electrons and photons, do not experience time in the same way that we do. They exist in a state of superposition, simultaneously occupying all possible states until an observation is made, collapsing their wave function into a single definite state. This strange behavior has profound implications for our understanding of time. It suggests that the past, present, and future may not be as distinct as we perceive them to be, and that the very act of observing reality may play a role in shaping its unfolding. Our exploration of time now takes us to the grandest stage imaginable, the universe itself. Since the Big Bang, that cataclysmic event that birthed our cosmos, the universe has been expanding, its fabric stretching and evolving over billions of years. This expansion, however, is not just a spatial phenomenon, it is also a temporal one. As the universe expands, it also stretches time itself, creating a cosmic time machine that allows us to peer into the distant past. Light from distant galaxies traveling at a finite speed takes time to reach us. The farther away a galaxy is, the longer it takes for its light to reach our telescopes, meaning that we are seeing these galaxies as they were billions of years ago, when the universe was much younger and more compact. By studying these distant galaxies, astronomers are able to piece together a timeline of the universe's evolution, from its hot, dense beginnings to its current state of expansion and cooling. In essence, the universe itself serves as a vast cosmic time machine, allowing us to glimpse the past and unravel the mysteries of our cosmic origins. Our journey through time has taken us from the ephemeral beauty of cherry blossoms to the vast expanse of the cosmos. We have witnessed the relentless power of geological time, the silent ballet of subatomic particles, and the expanding universe's role as a cosmic time machine. Time is a fluid and relative dimension, shaped by our perceptions and experiences. We are born, we live, we love, we lose. The true measure of a life is its depth, the richness of our experiences. Embrace the present moment, for it is all we truly have. Our journey through time has taken us to the farthest reaches of the cosmos and back, revealing a universe far stranger and more wondrous than we could have ever imagined. We've seen the birth of stars and the death of galaxies, witnessed the slow, patient hand of geological time carving out canyons and raising mountains, and delved into the microscopic realm where the very laws of physics seem to bend and twist. We've explored the subjective nature of time, how it seems to accelerate when we're young and eager for experience, only to slow to a crawl when we're older, each moment heavy with memory and the weight of years gone by. We've pondered the nature of consciousness, that flickering flame of awareness that allows us to experience the flow of time, to remember the past and dream of the future. Through it all, one thing has become abundantly clear. Time is not simply a linear progression, a straight line from birth to death. It is a symphony of moments, a grand cosmic dance in which the past, present, and future are inextricably intertwined. The past, though seemingly immutable, is not a closed book. Its echoes resonate through the present, shaping our thoughts, beliefs, and actions in ways we may not even realize. Every choice we make, every step we take is influenced by the sum total of our experiences, by the memories we carry, and the lessons we've learned. The future, too, is not a fixed destination, but rather a vast, uncharted sea of possibilities. Each moment presents us with a choice, a fork in the road of time. And though we may not always realize it, the decisions we make, no matter how small, ripple outward, influencing the course of our own lives and the lives of those around us. We are not merely passengers on this journey through time. We are active participants, shaping and molding the temporal landscape with every breath we take. The story of time is not yet written. It is a work in progress, a tapestry woven from the threads of our individual and collective experiences. So when in time do you truly exist? Perhaps the answer lies not in a specific point on the timeline of the universe, but rather in the eternal now, that fleeting moment of awareness that exists at the intersection of the past and the future. It is in the present moment, in the fullness of our being, that we truly come alive. The past is gone, the future is yet to be, but the present is ours to embrace. It is in the present moment that we can experience the joy of a sunrise, the wonder of a child's laughter, the solace of a loving embrace. It is in the present moment that we can make a difference in the world, however small, and leave our own unique mark on the tapestry of time. The question of when in time we truly exist is not one that can be answered with logic or reason. It is a question that each of us must answer for ourselves, through our own experiences and our own unique journey through the labyrinth of time. Thank you for joining us on this journey through time. Please like, comment, and share the video, and please do not forget to subscribe for more videos.